Should Ethan Pinnock be on the bench if he returns for Jamaica? We will let you know that by the end of this video. Ethan Pinnock, as you know, is one of Jamaica's top defenders. He also made the top defenders list in the EPL this past season. However, due to personal reasons, Ethan Pinnock is not able to join up with the Jamaica national team in the Gold Cup. However, it's stated that the player will join the team at some point, and the discussion has started whether or not Ethan Pinnock should just walk back into the team and get that starting job. Let's just look at the defenders that Jamaica has right now. They have Damian Lowe, the anchorman, who actually starts with the Ethan Pinnock when Ethan Pinnock is there. We also have the youngster out of Manchester United who has also been there this Gold Cup, Dishard Bernard, and we have also the legend Adrian Mariappa on his way out potentially. He's there for experience, but he had a very good performance the last game. No, if you look at the team's cohesion, how does Ethan Pinnock fits into this? I would necessarily bring Ethan Pinnock into the starting lineup because I think he's a little bit behind on what the coach would want to do potentially in this Gold Cup, and we don't know where his mental space is. So I would stick with the pairing of Deshard Bernard and Damian Lowe just for this Gold Cup and let Ethan Pinnock take the time to recover and come back as a fresh and motivated player. A lot of fans will say, JT, you're a madman. How can you not bring in the top defender in the starting lineup? I'm looking at cohesion and I'm looking at what the coach is already doing. Do we want to tinker with that right now in the quarterfinals? If the player had came in at the end of the first round, I could understand. But now Jamaica is in the quarterfinals next week. Then you have a defender coming in. Then you might have a little problem there. If goals start going in, people might think like, why did the coach change what was working already? So I would stick with what we have. Them say if something not broke, don't fix it. I'm out.